All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I am here on the north side of the Las Vegas Valley, and we are in a, I'm gonna say, semi-master plan community, because I feel like it's not as big of a master plan community. But this is Craig Ranch, which you have a bunch of developers here. So today we're going to be exploring this developer, Century Homes. So Craig Ranch, this collection here by Century Homes is the Monarch collection. There's actually 3 models that you can pick and choose from. However, there's only 2 that's displayed right here. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to disclose this right now. The models have already been sold, and everything has already been sold out. There's probably like 10 spec homes which they are finishing up on building these 2 models here. So I can get you guys in on that. So keep that in mind. So the home right here off to the left is the 2947 model, and off to the right is the 2857. Let me know in the comments below, should we do the one on the right or the one on the left? Okay, matter of fact, you know what, you'll have to wait and see. So right over here we have Craig Road. Okay, and Craig Road has a lot of shopping. This location is very close to shopping. You can literally walk. Okay, we're probably about a good 15 minutes to 20 minutes to the Las Vegas Boulevard, and that's going to be on the north end, which is going to be Fremont. All right, so let's get into this. We're going to focus on the 2947 model. Okay, so this is a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and you have a super loft, 2-car garage. The base price on here is $455,990. Now, I do have the spec sheet, so if you guys are interested in, buying not this home, but one that's being built just like this, just give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you guys out. It's very hard now to get homes at the 500 range, so the good news is that I know a guy that knows a guy, so that's how we do it. All right, let's go inside. Let's see what we have. Let me know if you guys like this floor plan. So I like it already. As you walk in, it's nice and open. What you'll notice about Century is that they pretty much have all the same models throughout the Las Vegas Valley. A lot of builders that build these type of spec homes, they tend to have all the same models because they already have the floor plan. It's a lot easier that way. Other than the decor of things are changed out. So let's take a look at this. A beautiful island, that's for sure. Standard cabinets. Love the sink here. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Give you a better perspective. Wow, that cabinet right there looks like it's broken. That definitely needs to be fixed. Alright, so the standard with the kitchen here comes with a 36-inch cabinets, 2.5-inch quartz countertops, which is not bad. 36-inch cook countertop, that's nice. Love that backsplash right there. Look at that. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, let me know. Wow, this thing is warped. Look at this. Wow, this side is warped too. Look at this. Oh yeah, you know what it is? That's the thing about these shaker cabinets, is because they're so big, it tends to warp. That tells me that the air conditioning wasn't going at one point, so it was getting hot or cold. I love this pantry with the glass. However, what sucks is that you better keep your pantry clean, because if not, you can see everything. Nice high ceilings. Let's go take a look at the back here. You got a beautiful 12-foot slide, which is locked. Will not allow me to go outside. Bummer. Covered patio. Nice. Okay. Let's take a look over here. I love the wood floors. The only thing about these wood floors here, Take a look at this. It gets dirty. That's the thing about dark floors. I definitely love how they cladded this right here. Look at this. Nice. And this is something that you guys can do on your own, you know, with your feature wall here. Wow, I love that fireplace. Gorgeous. Get you guys a different perspective here. Now apparently they have that super large loft, so let's go take a look at that. We got our mud room, or valet. Here's our 2-car garage. Unfortunately, we can't get in there because it's locked. I love this window too right here. Brings in definitely a lot of light. Got your coat closet. Okay. Very inviting though. It's like you walk right in here, just it pushes you like right into the living room. So I do like that. Look at this on the model homes. You gotta watch out because you pretty much you buy it as is where is. A lot of wear and tear. But you definitely can negotiate some things to be fixed for sure. See what we got here. Wow, this is a nice large loft. This can also be converted into a bedroom too as well. Love the 9-foot ceilings. And I'm like literally out of breath. Not bad. Wow, this is just large. Huh. I'd probably put a pool table here. Pool table, foosball, probably ping pong, and make this like one big entertainment section. I love that you have the 6-inch baseboards here, straight edge. Little crooked down the wall. Oh, we have a Raiders. Okay. Interesting. Decent sized room. I mean, there's really nothing unique about this one, that's for sure. Let's take a look at the closet here. You got the walk-in closet, not bad. I like that. That's a good idea. Painted this feature wall, make it all black there, and this wallpaper? Yeah, this is wallpaper for the flowers. Very creative. Nice tall ceilings. Now this one is a little bit unique. Look at this. They got a 4-rocker switch, but they have 2. Probably what happened was they couldn't put the 4 together because you had a 2x4 here. There's one here wouldn't fit, and then it would have been too wide. So that's the reason why they did that. Get your walk-in closet, okay. Now this video is going to be pretty quick. The reason why I'm saying that is because I don't have too much time here. Because I gotta go pick up a client here pretty soon. Oh, look at the bathroom here. Nice bathroom. 12 by 24 on the tile. Definitely a couple of scuff marks. You can tell a lot of people have gone through this home. This also tends to happen too right here around the ring. Now you get that rust going. Tub shower combo, not bad. Talking to the sales guy, he was saying that they're having problems ordering the cabinets right now. Ooh, I love this laundry room though. Look at that. Not bad, right? You got, what, 36-inch cabinets above. Nice deep sink here. It's just nice to have a sink. I mean, how often do you use it? And plus, do you really want to get like grease and all this stuff? I mean, it's just good to have. I mean, I don't have a sink, but I mean, my next home, I definitely, when I build one, I'm definitely gonna have a sink. Let's go take a look at this primary. Oh, you can already see the home settling here. Look at this. See that? And you have another one just settling. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Going all the way down here. See that? That means the two drywall meets right here. They taped it, mud it. But as the home shifts, you'll tend to have that. Because the home it's hot, cold, hot, and expands and contracts. Now that's nothing to worry about unless you can start fitting quarters inside there, a couple nickels, then we got a problem. And also if the cracks are going like sideways, that you can tell it's a hairline crack though. You know what I mean? It's going down the seam, so that's not a big deal. Now this is a very large primary, so I'm very pleased with this. It's very large. I notice on these transfer ducts here, I don't understand why they don't paint inside of the can. I mean, all that is exposed. That would just drive me nuts. Ooh, they definitely did the spa-like shower. Alright, let's take a look at this. It's all cladded with 12 by 24. Wow. You can see this pan here. Floor plan is floor pan. It's dirty on the grout lines. Yeah, there's just a lot of wear and tear. You can tell people have literally been coming through in and out of this thing and just really using this home. I don't know, would you guys actually buy a model home where people actually went in and out of it and everybody knows what your home looks like? You do have that rainfall shower, that's cool. Oh, look at this. Was the tile coming off? What was going on here? Look at that. Oh, I know what happened. It probably cracked because it was shifting. And they had to retile that. Okay. Not bad. Your water closet here. Just your linen closet. Nothing special. As you can see, here's Craig Ranch, just one big community. It's really nice though, because right there, you got Craig Road right there, and basically that's where all your shopping is going to be. It's crazy. Like I said, they got some standing inventory. I think there's about like 6 left. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll be happy to email you guys over the sheet, let you guys know what's available. Let's put this deal together. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. See yourselves living here. I think for me the best part is this kitchen here, everything just all open. A lot of you guys like that contemporary floor plan. I mean, this is like true contemporary right here. I mean, there's no denying it. Well guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I'm not too sure what you guys are waiting for. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks.